Have you ever drifted into slumber while envisioning your aspirations, only to awaken with a sense of disappointment as if they had never materialized? If so, you are not alone. Many individuals struggle to manifest their desires due to doubts and fears that impede their ability to shape the life they yearn for. However, there is encouraging news for the potency of your imagination. You can surmount these obstacles and unlock the life you genuinely crave. You may have heard of the law of attraction or the law of assumption, which suggests that your focus and beliefs will manifest in your existence. While this holds true, I believe there is a missing element in this puzzle. It is not solely about visualizing and believing. It is about feeling. The crux lies in comprehending that to obtain your desires, you must truly feel them from within. Let us delve deeper into how imagination and emotion can aid you in manifesting your aspirations. Merely dozing off while envisioning your desires will not suffice to make them a reality. While visualization is a potent tool for manifestation, it alone is insufficient to bring forth the life you seek. It is crucial to take action towards your goals and have faith in your ability to achieve them. Visualization aids in aligning your energy with your desires, but action is indispensable for their fruition. Merely visualizing your desires is akin to sitting in a boat, envisioning your destination, yet neglecting to paddle towards it. Little progress will be made without taking action. Belief in your capacity to accomplish your goals is equally vital. Without self-belief, it becomes arduous to take action, as doubts and fears may encroach and hold you back. It is essential to cultivate a positive mindset and surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and motivate you. Doubts and fears can hinder your manifestation capabilities. Negative thoughts and beliefs can obstruct the path to the life you desire. To overcome these hurdles, it is crucial to focus on positive thoughts and beliefs that align with your aspirations. Identifying and transforming limiting beliefs into positive ones is key. If you believe you are unworthy of achieving your goals, you will encounter difficulty in pursuing them. Procrastination and self-sabotage may ensue. Instead, concentrate on positive beliefs that harmonize with your desires. Affirmations can be an influential tool in shifting your mindset. Repeating positive statements daily, such as "I possess the capability to achieve my goals," or "I am deserving of success," can reshape your perspective. The most pivotal aspect of life lies in what you feel within yourself. Your thoughts and emotions mold your reality, making it imperative to concentrate on the feelings you desire rather than those you wish to avoid. When you fixate on negative emotions, you attract more of the same into your life. However, by focusing on positive emotions, you draw in more affirmative experiences. If you constantly worry about money, you are likely to attract further financial struggles. Instead, center your attention on feeling abundant and grateful for what you already possess. This shift in energy will magnetize more abundance into your life. You possess the capacity to feel whatever you desire, irrespective of the external world's indications. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world, but you possess the power to govern your emotions and feelings independent of external circumstances. This implies that you can feel happiness and fulfillment even if your external circumstances are not ideal. During challenging times, choose to focus on gratitude for the positive aspects of your life. Additionally, employ your imagination to cultivate positive emotions. Envision yourself in joyous and fulfilling scenarios, immersing yourself in the corresponding feelings. This practice can transform your energy and attract more positive encounters. Your outer world mirrors your inner world entirely. Your reality is shaped by your thoughts and beliefs. Consequently, it is crucial to concentrate on positive thoughts and beliefs to cultivate a positive reality. If you are dissatisfied with your external circumstances, it is essential to scrutinize your thoughts and beliefs, as they may contribute to the situation. If you repeatedly tell yourself that you are unlucky in love, negative relationships will continue to manifest. Instead, direct your focus towards positive thoughts and beliefs regarding love, such as "I deserve a loving and supportive partner." This shift in energy will attract positive relationships into your life. Your senses are a means of perceiving the world around you, but they can also be sources of stress and anxiety. Observing something reminiscent of a negative experience may trigger anxiety or distress. However, your imagination allows you to generate any desired feeling, regardless of external reality. Thus, you possess the power to control your emotions and feelings, rather than being controlled by them. Rather than reacting to external circumstances, concentrate on cultivating positive emotions within yourself. If you feel anxious, utilize your imagination to visualize a serene and tranquil environment. Embrace the notion that you are in control of how you feel, rather than allowing your senses to dictate it. Your emotions and feelings are within your control. Remember, external circumstances need not govern your state of happiness and fulfillment. During trying times, choose to focus on gratitude for the positive aspects of your life. Furthermore, utilize your imagination to foster positive feelings and emotions. Envision yourself in joyous and fulfilling situations, embracing the associated sentiments. This practice can transform your energy and attract more positive experiences. Creation is already complete, meaning that everything you desire already exists. The universe abounds with everything you seek, and it already exists within it. Consequently, struggling or toiling arduously to attain your desires is unnecessary. Instead, aligning your energy with your aspirations is key to manifesting them. To manifest a new job, for instance, concentrate on the feelings of already having that job. Envision yourself in that role and focus on the positive emotions it brings. This will align your energy with your desires and attract the job into your life. Countless versions of yourself reside within consciousness and the universe. Infinite versions of yourself coexist within consciousness. This signifies that you can tap into different versions of yourself to manifest your desires. These various versions may harbor distinct experiences, beliefs, and desires. By tapping into them, you can shape the life you yearn for. Suppose you encounter a particular challenge. In that case, you can access a version of yourself that has already triumphed over it. Imagine yourself as that accomplished version, channeling the confidence and empowerment associated with it. This practice can transform your energy and attract more positive experiences into your life. Consciousness encompasses all these versions to facilitate your growth and evolution into the best rendition of yourself. Consequently, you possess the ability to tap into different versions of yourself to surmount challenges, achieve goals, and become the person you aspire to be. If you desire increased confidence, access a version of yourself that exudes confidence. Envision yourself as that self-assured version and immerse yourself in the emotions of confidence and empowerment. This can alter your energy and attract more favorable experiences. If you can conceive a version of yourself that you aspire to become, it must exist somewhere. This concept is grounded in the notion of parallel universes, which posits that every possible outcome of an event or decision exists somewhere in the universe. When you envision a version of yourself that aligns with your desires, you are effectively accessing the reality that already exists within the universe. This signifies that the version of yourself you aspire to be already exists within the universe, and it is within your power to align your energy with that reality. If you yearn to become a successful author, the reality of the accomplished author version of yourself already exists within the universe. By aligning your energy with that reality through visualization and positive affirmations, you can manifest that reality in your present experience. Instead of striving to obtain what you want, focus on granting it to yourself. Many individuals believe that struggle and arduous work are necessary to achieve their desires. However, this belief can impede the manifestation process by generating resistance and negative energy. Rather than fixating on acquiring what you desire, concentrate on bestowing upon yourself the emotions and feelings you crave in the present moment. Rather than dwelling on financial scarcity and devising ways to acquire more, focus on feeling abundant and grateful for the resources you presently possess. Your inner world is the sole existence. The outer world merely projects it. This notion stems from the principle of manifestation, which states that your external reality is a reflection of your inner reality. Your thoughts and emotions shape your reality, underscoring the importance of nurturing positive thoughts and emotions to cultivate a positive reality. If you found the content enjoyable and valuable, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to ensure you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.